Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace picture not loading or not showing. First of all, make sure your internet connection is stable. A slow or unstable connection can prevent images from loading properly. Then, try refreshing the Marketplace page or closing and reopening the Facebook app. After that, clear your Facebook app cache. On iPhone, you can do this by offloading the app. And for that, open your Settings app, then tap on General. After that, go into iPhone Storage. Now, tap on Facebook from the list of apps and finally choose Offload app. Once it's done, tap on Reinstall app. Next, check if there's a Facebook app update available. Open your App Store or Google Play Store, search for Facebook and tap on Update if available. Now, if the problem still continues, try logging out and logging back into your account or restarting your phone. This often fixes temporary glitches. Finally, if none of this works, open Facebook on a web browser and check Marketplace there. Sometimes the app has temporary issues that the browser version doesn't. And that's all. These steps should fix Facebook Marketplace pictures not loading. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.